Leaders or readers. This is Max Home with the Max's Most Minute podcast, and it is day 3 of the push-up challenge. Today I have a quote from former United States President Harry Truman. He says, "Not all readers are leaders, but all leaders are readers." Let's think about that again. Not all readers are leaders, but all leaders are readers. Reading is one of the fastest ways for you to acquire new information. In a 300-page book that could take you 4 or 5 hours to read, you can acquire the knowledge of the writer that took their lifetime to learn. Find out who your hero is, whether it's an athlete, a business mogul, whoever your hero is. Find a book about them, find a book that they wrote themselves, read it, and follow their recipe to gain success. Execute today.